Hey everyone, so are you spending like a lot of hours to design slides for your presentations? So today I'm gonna show you a hyper presentation. See, this is hyper presentation, and the URL of this website is hyperpresent.ai. So this is also an AI powered tool that can transform your ideas into professional, beautiful, stunning slides in minutes. So no design skills needed. You don't need to hire a professional PowerPoint person expert who can design slides for your presentation. So you can use this AI tool. So whether you are pitching a project or you are going to present at your work or you are going to teach a class, so this tool is a game changer. So let's dive in and see how it works. So you can see, as I told you, you can create professional presentations with AI. You can transform your ideas into stunning presentations without designing skills. And you need to enter your presentation idea here. For example, my firm quarterly sales report or my startup pitch deck for angel investors. And you can see here like no design skills needed, read it in minutes, and you can export to PDF or PowerPoint. From idea to amazing presentation in minutes, so no design skills, describe, generate, define, and share. Okay, so what you need here, we will type here like 2025 2025 digital marketing strategy for e-commerce brands. For example, I am going to teach my class. I want to deliver a lecture about the strategies of digital media marketing in 2025 that we can implement for e-commerce brands. So I can create from here this. So we need to create your account. Okay, so this is the step now. My name is Omar Butt, and I will type my email here and sign up. Okay, nothing to worry. And sign up. Username is already taken, it's no need to worry. Sign up. So sorry, you can see presentation creator. Now you can see I am in my dashboard and I have free credits like 12, and to generate one presentation you need like 5 credits. So here you can see create your presentation, and the idea that I typed before this registration step, it was to 2025 digital marketing strategy for e-commerce brands. So it is here now. I will click on generate presentation, and within few seconds it will analyze the request outlining the presentation and create the presentation and will provide it to me. And you can see status updates processing, it is 15% completed. So it's amazing. See, without any designing skills, now you can design, you can prepare your presentations for your personal requirements, for your business requirements, for commercial requirements. Even you can work as a presentation expert, and you can you can offer your services to the different freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and you can make money online also. So just once you prepare the once you generate it, you can download it after upgrading your plan. So it's amazing. And you can see now it's incredible. And the first slide of my presentation, you can see here 2025 digital marketing strategy for e-commerce brands, AI driven, immersive, personalized and sustainable. And you can see prepared for forward thinking e-commerce brands. And now this is the second slide. So incredible. And here you can see one heading with text and one text with points, headings, and there is a graph also for e-commerce growth projects in 2025, like what we need: mobile commerce, social commerce, voice shopping, AR VR shopping, subscription models. By 2025, e-commerce will be characterized by these key shifts, requiring brands to adopt their marketing strategies. And see key digital marketing trends for 2025. Now in this slide we can see, even with this zoom effect, we have some four container sections. And the next slide we have about channel strategy evolution. So see, without searching and without customization, without finding these topics and the content of this topic, everything has been generated by the AI powered tool, hyper presentation. Now you can see will require a reimagined approach to marketing channels for e-commerce success. And here is the list: an AI driven personalization strategy, and here 2025 implementation roadmap, transform your e-commerce marketing, and everything. You can see slides completed, and you can see you can export it. But for when you export it like PDF or PowerPoint, so you need to, as I told you, to upgrade the plan. And $9 per month, it's nothing when you can generate 30 generations per month. See, plus 150 credits, 2 month expire also. So this one, it's incredible. Where you are hiring some PowerPoint expert, and you are spending a lot of dollars on that person. So instead of this, $9 is nothing comparatively to this, the spending of your money as you are spending as a business company on freelancing websites, or you are giving that money to a expert person. So instead of this, you can use this. So it's incredible. And you can save it, export it as you want. Okay, so the next thing now, create my presentations. And you can see I have one presentation. We can edit this, we can download it as PDF. As I told you, we need to we need to upgrade. And then we can also delete this one if we want. So now we will try another one, like create a new. And here I will type, for example, this month is Islamic month Ramadan. So the first I created something related to business, and this one my Islamic presentation about Ramadan, and generate presentation. So this will generate now a presentation about Ramadan, the holy month of Islam. So it will give me some information, and maybe some images also, or some like graphs also, as in the business it gave us. So we can present this presentation if I am going to present at any place. So this will be great for me, and without searching about Ramadan, about the what is actually Ramadan and what we can do in Ramadan. So everything this AI tool will tell me. So without searching, I can prepare, generate this, and then I can use it for my personal or business commercial projects. And it's 45% completed now, finalizing the design, and it's amazing tool. You can subscribe to my channel, you can Also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. I make tutorials about AI tools, about graphic designing, web development, video editing, digital media marketing, and typing, and a lot of other stuff, English language, also a lot of other things. So you can really enjoy my content, and you can increase your skills. So you can see the sacred month of Ramadan. You can see a time of reflection, prayer, and community, and you can see images also. And then we have Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. And then second slide we can see what is Ramadan. So now when I am presenting this presentation to the front of some people, so I can show them what is Ramadan. So Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. And you can see here Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, considered the holiest month for Muslims worldwide. And it was during this month that the Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the month of Ramadan is that in which was a Quran. The Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, a guidance for the people and clear proofs of guidance, and you can see everything is here, and this is the reference of Quran also here. So fasting, it's a key features, also duration 29 or 30 days, depending on the lunar calendar. And then the third slide, I have the 5 pillars of Ramadan. So Psalm, fasting is one of them. So then I can tell people daily routine during Ramadan, suhoor, fasting period, then iftar, then tarawih prayer, in this suhoor, pre-dawn meal consumed before fajr prayer, so providing sustenance for the day ahead. And then fasting period from dawn fajr to sunset maghrib. Muslims abstain from food, drink, smoking, and intimate relations. And iftar, the meal to break the fast at sunset, traditionally started with dates and water. Yes, exactly. Tarawih prayers, Muslims special night prayers performed. Muslims perform it after Isha prayer, typically in congregation at mosques, masjids. Yes. And special considerations also, you can see. So you can, once you export it, you can edit. And here also benefits of Ramadan. You can see each slide, Eid al-Fitr, celebrating the end of Ramadan. There is image also. So incredible slides, I really enjoy this one. So if I want to edit, I can click on this icon and see. You can describe how you want to improve this slide. For example, add a bar chart comparing Q1 and Q2 data, or make this slide more visually appealing with better colors. So you can type, and you can tell this to improve more if you want. But according to my personal experience, it is perfect. This is because with references and with everything, the content is perfect. So I can export it as PDF or as PowerPoint after upgrading my plan, my subscription plan. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, how we can generate presentations using HyperPresent, hyperpresent.ai. And please share the video with your friends so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.